Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today, I feel very happy to speak about the importance of our subjects and the special role of our subject teachers. Every subject we learn is like a step towards our bright future, and every teacher is like a guide who helps us climb the step with confidence. Our first subject is Tamil, or sweet mother tongue. Language is the soul of culture, and Tamil connects us to roots, traditions, and great literature. Through stories, poems, and lessons, our Tamil teachers helps us to speak, read, and write beautifully. They teach us to love our heritage and respect our identity. Thank you. English is called the window to the world. It is most important international language. Without English, it is difficult to communicate with people around the globe. Our English teacher patiently trains us in grammar, vocabulary, reading and writing. They encourage us to speak confidently and to express our ideas clearly. With their guidance. We grow into citizens. Thank you. Mathematics is the language of numbers and logic. It teaches us problem solving, reasoning, and accuracy. From simple sums to tricky puzzles, our maths teacher gives us the courage to face challenges. They make us understand that mathematics is not just about numbers, but also about life skills like discipline and logical thinking. Thank you. Science is a subject of curiosity and discovery. It teaches us about plants, animals, the human body, machines, and even outer space. Our science teacher encourages us to ask questions, observe carefully, and find answers through experiments. They make us believe the science is everywhere around us, in the air we breathe, the food we eat, and the technology we use. Thank you. Social studies teaches us about the past, the present, and the future. History tells us about our leaders and freedom fighters. Geography shows us our earth, its land, water, and climate. Civics teaches us our duties and rights as citizens. Our social teacher helps us to become responsible and patriotic citizens. They remind us to respect our nation and to live in peace and harmony with others. Thank you to all. We are living in the digital age. Computers are everywhere in schools, hospitals, offices, and even in our home. Our computer teacher introduces us technology, teaches us how to use computers, and helps us to prepare for future generations. Thank you. Learning another language is like opening another door to knowledge. Hindi connects us with many people in our country. Our Hindi teacher teaches new words, poems, and stories in an interesting way. With their help, we can communicate with more people and enjoy the beauty of another language. Thank you. Art and craft bring out the creativity hidden inside us. When we draw, paint, or make craft, we learn patience, imagination, and concentration. Art teacher encourages us to think creatively and to see beauty in everything around us. They help us to relax our minds and express our emotions through colors and shapes. Dear friends, each subject is like a flower in the garden of education, and each teacher is like a gardener who nurtures with his care, love, and knowledge. Without subjects, we cannot learn, and without teachers, we cannot succeed. So, let's respect every subject and thank every teacher for shaping us into a good student and good human being. Thank you.